Hey guys, Nuran here from NJ Rides. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on my ETS Front Mount Intercooler for my 800 horsepower build. You see the big box there behind me. If you know ETS, Extreme Turbo Systems, awesome company, great products. I'm looking forward to opening this. I've actually been sitting in the garage for a week, looking forward to actually seeing it in person, so yeah, I'll share that with you shortly. Alright, so we're going to get started. I've got the tool of all tools, handy craft knife? Cutting knife? Anyway, it's the tool of all tools. So this is a 660mm 3.5 inch core, so it should handle all the power and is a quality product. So I'll let you see what it looks like. Let's get it! Not even using the knife. My wife is laughing behind me. Babe, you can stop laughing.
Use the knife.
It's got pins. I can't use a knife with pins.
You're gonna scratch the table, babe.
So clearly it's packed really well, which is a good start. Fingers when you're pulling these big staples out. Clearly done this the hard way. Didn't even end up using the bloody knife. Woo-wee. Alright. Oh my goodness. Sneak preview of that beauty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh baby. I did end up getting some silicone couplers just while I did my order from ETS, because say good products, quality couplers. They're just straight couplers I ordered. Yep. Some ETS clamps. These things are the biz. They hold the thing pretty strong, so no issues there. Got the mounts for the intercooler as well, I believe. Alright, now let's pull this bad boy out. Hey! Oh wow! Thing beauty. Really well packed, as you can see. Oh my goodness! All right. Oh, this thing's awesome. Look at the quality. Those end tanks. Premium welds. Just gonna sneak peek at the core. I've literally been thinking about getting this core for a year, but it's pretty hard to get US products into New Zealand, so took advantage of the old Black Friday deals. ETS sorted me out with some shipping help as well, and it made it here. So yeah, you guys over in the States are so lucky. Great products. We're quite limited that way in New Zealand, but when you get the chance to get something like this, oh yes, look at that. It's even got the stencil on there already. That is a big bonus. Oh my gosh. Ooh-wee, look at that. That is so freaking nice. Let's stack casually standing on the table over here. Oh, beautiful. Get out. Cannot get over how good this looks. Alright, so finished unboxing the beautiful core. Yeah, so I mean with intercoolers, one of the most important things is fin density and how the fins are packed inside the core. Obviously size for the application and things as well, and pressure drop, but I'm going to show you the how dense the fins are packed in here at the moment. So if you are buying an intercooler for a project, just make sure when you look at the core you check the fin density, because you can find that, and I'll show you in a picture just here. With some intercoolers you have very loosely staggered fins, and as a result air actually can't slow down and get cooled enough when it pushes through the front, so you're going to get very poor performance if you get a core like that. What you want is offset fins, so that the air has to actually struggle to get through the core from your turbo outlet, so that way it slows down. The air smashing the front of your car can actually, go through it and cool it down, and the intake charge gets cooled as it enters your throttle body. So yeah, here's what it looks like. Alright, so if you can see in there, you can see how densely packed those fins are. So they're not straight through, they're staggered, which means that, like I mentioned, air from your turbo is going to struggle to get through there, but at the same time they would have optimized the pressure drop as well, so you're not going to have any major issues with lag, but you are going to get a very cool intake charge as the air slams through the front of the core. Yeah, so ETS, really awesome piece of engineering right here. Look at those welds. Thing of beauty.